Bonjour tout le monde, j'espère que nous en forme. Si on prend pour la première fois, moi c'est Lala. Mamdou, bienvenue sur le channel moyen et un bon retour à vous-même qui était déjà abonné. Je nous quand même titre la vidéo aujourd'hui, c'est un vlog. Nous pourrons nous là ensemble. So let's go babies. Hi guys, I'm besoin. Baba sel get the fit no wa ko sa no wa pen this is it. That's crazy. Guys, we vient de mola guys, the besoin outfit so muy avant même mon petit Jean arrivé tard. Mon petit Jean arrivé tard guys, so voilà, acheter ça pour m'acheter avant et après ma connaître personne. Guys, first stop was in Zara. I need some perfume and my birthday is coming up, so ooh. How much is that? For 19 and my birthday is coming up, so wanna be cute. Let me go look for these bodysuits. Let me see. Oh, toile bon. C'est pas mal, non? But bodysuits are long. Very, very long. I think I'm gonna take one of them. I'll get this color. Who are very, very, very long. But like his size. Isn't that a medium? I need a small. Yeah, it's a medium. That's a small. This is so cute. Je know belle petit bodysuit, guys. Regardez pour moi, je cute. I mean not bodysuit exactly, but something cuter than that. Let me tell you something. I'm gonna put you on. Oh, this one is kind of cute, but I don't want to wear that for my birthday dinner or birthday whatever. I don't know. I mean, mes amis, qui peut avoir une petite toile by fini ça? Ouais, ça me fait. Vous remarquez? Va me joindre plus belle que ça me gêne. This one is cute. It's so cute, but that's not for me. I don't know why, but I love this dress. Muito bem, mano. Mas mas ada dia mas ele tá fazendo a foto. But that's really cute. Check out my favorite this. I'll have this guys. It's so cute. Yep. Guys, it's time to try perfume. Oh, comment t'as les parfums besoin? That's weird. That's my forever perfume. It doesn't smell good, but that's not my perfume. That's not my perfume, is it? That's not it. That's not my perfume. That's not it. But they have so many perfumes though. Smell good. Smell good. Let's taste the Zara Golden Decade. Where's my perfume? What's the name again? That's not this one. Jesus, parang ko na bathroom yun. Kung sa bathroom yun, bathroom yun na. Oh my God. Messi, bathroom na nga dapat may medila. Hey, is it a mine? Is it? Yeah, that's my perfume. What is it? Oh mon Dieu! Như là bài là tóc. Rất là mắc của Nectar Soleil. Nectar Soleil, they don't have it. Let me try a new one, we never know. I feel like they got a new collection. I don't know why, but I don't like perfume that smells like candy. Guys, you won't believe me, but I'm sentindo to give him something. That's crazy. I'm sentindo to give him something. We feel like I'm Russian, you and tell me something was wrong with that. I'm gonna be like, ah, there's so much more happening somewhere. I've been. This all come on. What's your name? Oh, that's the immortal. Kasi the dernier bathroom ko itin ko kasi sa spicy sa. Sago sa tequila. Bless me. Kasi saksak sa ko. The sweet. This is though. This one smells so good. This one smells so good. The golden indicator. Oh, that's not. Yeah, that's golden indicator. I think I'm gonna take this one. Mom just puts back in there. And that's it. It's time to bake. Just to bake, I just gotta put them here. No. What is that? You know what? I'm just gonna use another one. I guess they were gonna give me the same thing. I don't know how much I'm gonna pay for all this together. 150. I have my bag, guys, and embaixo tivesse lá para escrito leadership. I'm gonna get that on
$7. Yeah. And you're good, so yeah. Now we're going up. I feel like I forgot something. I have my phone, my perfume. They didn't give they didn't print the receipt. And everything. Someone told me I'm gonna go to Milet, so we're going up. I'm going to Quacks. There's no Quacks, so I'm in the Quacks, guys. Monter num machinho déjà à gauche. Ma fouti qu'on est côté Quacks, c'est qu'on est. Ah bah Quacks ça. Ça c'est mes jambes mauvais ali, não é? Quacks. Samsung. Here it is, guys. Make Quacks, guys. Mwen nou lot mach eskale ba de mache mbave avant de là. Alright, this one. Honestly, I want to pick first. This one pink. The Quacks World. Well, let's just buy and sa open metelada. That's cute. Let's go now. Good guys. So 36, 37. Gotta try it. Yep, I know it. Bon, moi ça me tape on le numéro. Donc on devait avoir un petit genre trop juste. Yep. I love this color, but comme par hasard, que le besoin, il y a un seul 36-37 là-dedans. On devait avoir un petit genre trop besoin qui est plus grand. But they don't have it. You're back here. Oh shit, quand I'm de décider pour prendre l'autre couleur. And I don't want another color. I think I'm gonna try a 38. Pour moi, comment le faire? Ah no, that's my size. This is size like the size one. I mean, the t-shirt will go, but that's the way I like it. Just. I'm in the world value. Like this is 37, 38. This is 38, 39. And this is 36, 37. Usually that's my size. That's my size, but it's too short. It's for good guys. Definitely not mine. Hi guys. Yeah, this is too short. I'm gonna have to pass this color and take this one. Oh my god. Maybe I should get a blue one because that's pink. Yes, but that's too light. That's pink, but that's too light. I'm sorry. I don't want to take this. My skin is too short. Maybe I'm gonna have to take it. You know, guys, at the end of the day, I mean, c'est pas comme si ma foi c'est pour le nom. Il est un petit peu complexe, guys. Je ne sais pas si elle doit coûter pas trop comme ça. But this is not. Même quand on là. Anyway. La forceuse que je suis. This is the color I want, and this is the color I'm gonna get. Like, I'll take this size. Yeah. But that's my numbers. Hindi mo usap metin lang sa bagay. Like, sim dash niya online sa South of Webong mapasi sa hindi mo usap na po. So, I'll take it. I'll take that one. I'm living, guys. Bagi kita pun Facebook lah pas ke wal kami ay video ini kita to having something. But I'm getting, I'm hungry. I think I'm gonna get a juice or something. I don't know yet. M'acheter ça, guys. Pas même qu'on s'allait. The dirty soda. Même moi, over the fence orange là-dedans. Bah, ça me dérange ma soeur. Ini banyak mau ke dulu. Pas de chance. M'arrive mal que ma chef est de côté au fait anglo, je ferme. Mais ça me bat de toujours like besoin faire shopping avant. De venir acheter parce que me connais on a fermé quand même. So bon mal la caille.